Did you know you can make naan recipe with only 2 ingredients? Add Greek yogurt to the flour and bind in well until you make a dough. So a little bit of oil here. Sprinkle some flour and divide the dough into 4 and then roll it into round shape and leave it to rest for half an hour. Prepare basil, garlic and a little bit of salt and grind them together. Add oil and mix. After half an hour, roll out the bread and cover them with a damp cloth. When cooking the naan bread, wait for the bubbles to form before you turn it over. Spread the garlic with basil mixture all over while cooking. Repeat the same process until you finish all the breads. How easy was that? Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.